Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to draw a cartoon bird. I have chosen the toucan because of its distinctive appearance, particularly its oversized beak, which leads itself well to a cartoon interpretation. Let's get started. First, I'll sketch out the head and the exaggerated beak using rough freehand strokes. I have opted to keep the beak larger but not excessively long. Next, I will outline the body to match the proportion of the beak, ensuring a cohesive look. Then I will add in detail such as the wings, legs, and eyes. As I refine the drawing, I'll pay special attention to shaping the beak, incorporating the distinctive black mark. To enhance the cartoonish aesthetic, I'll include an exaggerated eyebrow. Gradually, I'll add in all the finer details. With the sketch finalized, I'll proceed to outline the drawing with definitive lines. I'm sketching the legs roughly for now, as I'll be adding a branch for the toucan to perch on along with some leaves. Finally, using a darker pencil, I'll complete the drawing, resulting in our cartoon toucan. And there we have. Thanks for watching.